Notion isn't just a productivity app, it's a masterclass in modern business strategy. Founded in 2013 by Ivan Zhao and Simon Last, Notion transformed from a near failure into a $10 billion company by 2021. Their secret? A blend of product-led growth, community engagement, and authentic storytelling. They didn't buy attention, they earned it. First, product-led growth. Notion built a tool so flexible and useful, people shared it on their own. The product sold itself, no sales team needed. Second, community. Users weren't just customers. They became ambassadors, building templates, tutorials, and local groups. The result? 95% of their traffic was organic. Third, authenticity. No glossy campaigns. Just real stories, shared by real people across the web. Great products don't need to shout, they just need to work. Notion proved that if you build real value, the world will notice.